Timber Giant's Bigfoot. You know, I've only gone about 100 feet. I've been walking, and there's definitely something right over there. I'm getting the prickles all over me. It's like danger. I'm just gonna quietly watch. Something's over there thumping on. It wasn't a tree, I don't know what it was. Big soft thuds. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Got my attention really quick. I don't know how far away it was. Not far. It was in my comfort range, that's for sure. Come on, do it again. Man, I'm sweating and I got goosebumps at the same time. Where are you? It's like I said, man, I get the feeling I'm being watched out here. Because the trail I'm on, right there, it scoots around that way. And then it goes straight that way. And it turns back towards where I just ran into the badger. So this piece of forest you're seeing, the trail actually goes around it. Come on. That sound was made with some power too. Let's take a look around me just to make sure. Do you hear that? I heard it. Something. There's nobody else out here. I'm out here by myself. This is the part of the forest where kind of, after I've seen that creature out here, this is the part of the forest I typically don't go in. Really at all. Unless I'm with somebody else. Just back over this way. Actually, right straight through there. We videotaped back there and we found a possible nesting shelter underneath a tree. I would go back there and show you again, but I have to go back there with my son. Just because it's, I'm just listening to that voice inside my head that says, don't go in there. So, it's not windy or anything, it's no trees creaking or anything like that. Timber Giant's Bigfoot. We'll be back in a minute.